Hello and welcome to Tequila Insider Program. Already Perseverance rover has sent stunning images of J0 crater, like its descent to the Martian surface and the first full view of J0 crater. How was this achieved? Well, it is thanks to the Deep Space Network. Perseverance has three antennas that serve as both its voice and its ears between Mars and the DSN on Earth. Having multiple antennas provides operational flexibility and a backup option just in case they are needed. All these are located on the rover's deck. The first antenna is the ultra-high frequency antenna. Most often, Perseverance will use its ultra-high frequency antenna to communicate with Earth through NASA's orbiters around Mars. It generally takes about 5 to 20 minutes for a radio signal to travel the distance between Mars and Earth, depending on the planet's position. The rover can achieve high data rates on a relatively short distance relay link to the orbiters overhead. The orbiters then use their much larger antennas and transmitters to relay that data on the long distance link back to Earth. The second is the X-band high-gain antenna. The high-gain antenna is directed so that it can point its radio beam in a specific direction. Its high gain allows for beam focus, hence higher data rates on the long link back to Earth. The third is the X-band low-gain antenna. Perseverance will use its low-gain antenna primarily for receiving radio signals. All the three antennas have their signal entry to Earth through the DSN. The Deep Space Network, or the DSN, is the NASA's international array of giant radio antennas that support interplanetary spacecraft missions. It's the largest and the most sensitive scientific telecommunication system in the world. They provide crucial connection for commanding our spacecraft, like the daily commands sent to rovers on Mars on what they should do and return as the end result. They also help us to receive the never-seen images of scientific information on Earth, and also the understanding of the universe, our solar system, and ultimately our place within it. The Deep Space Network has ground stations in Madrid, Spain, in Goldstone, Southern California, and Canberra in Australia. Madrid's radio antennas took the lead in receiving telemetry from Mars Relay Network during Perseverance entry, descent, and landing. The strategic placement of these sites permits constant communication with spacecraft as our planet rotates. Before a distant spacecraft can sink below the horizon at one DSN site, another site can pick up the signal and carry on with the communication.